The 2020 Nissan LEAF comes in 5 trim levels: S, S+, SV, SV+, and SL+. Each trim level offers something a little different. This video will help you understand which one best fits what you're looking for. The 2020 Nissan LEAF S features an EPA range up to 149 miles. LEAF S is available in 5 exterior colors. The S has smart wheel covers. Its headlights make a stylish statement. At night, they can automatically turn on for you. The charge port lights up when opened and features a lock. The LEAF S has a stylish interior with black cloth seats and gunmetal-finish trim. Standard comfort and convenience features get you on the move with one touch, can help you out and alert you if you're low on air, keep you comfy, and can let you know if you might have left cargo in the back seat. LEAF S puts your wider world at your fingertips with an 8-inch touchscreen and tech that puts your compatible smartphone on display, while Bluetooth lets you stay in touch, hands-free. You and your passengers can charge up with ease, and you'll enjoy satellite radio. LEAF S comes standard with select confidence-inspiring driver assistance features. You'll get help avoiding a frontal collision when a vehicle or pedestrian are detected ahead. LEAF S can help keep you in your lane and move over when the coast is clear. It can brake to help avoid backing into stationary items detected directly behind you, and can warn you about cars detected crossing behind you. While you're on the road, LEAF S can automatically give a little courtesy to other drivers. And with the charge package, you can charge up faster on the go and at home. LEAF S Plus includes LEAF S equipment, plus some extras. It features a 62 kilowatt-hour battery and an EPA range up to 226 miles. LEAF S Plus offers all the colors available on LEAF S. The exterior gets an upgrade in style with 16-inch aluminum alloy wheels, a quick charge port, and more. Like LEAF S, S Plus has a stylish interior with black cloth seats and gunmetal finish trim. LEAF S Plus lets you plug in at home without installing a dedicated charger. LEAF SV models include LEAF S Plus equipment and exterior upgrades. LEAF SV models are available with a 40 kilowatt-hour or a 62 kilowatt-hour battery for an EPA range up to 149 miles or 215 miles respectively. LEAF SV models add 2 additional color choices for a total of 7. With an upgraded exterior, including 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels and fog lights for better visibility. LEAF SV models add some style with a black cloth interior and upgraded trim, including touches of leather. Integrated tech helps keep you in the know with premium navigation and features that help you manage your range and charging from a compatible smartphone, while 2 additional speakers let you further enjoy your music. LEAF SV models make road trips easier with a cruise control function that lets you set your distance to the car ahead and can slow down and speed up with traffic. The all-weather package adds features that help keep you and your interior toasty. And the technology package brings a suite of driver assistance technologies, LED styling, easier charging, and more. LEAF SL Plus includes LEAF SV equipment and exterior upgrades. The 2020 Nissan LEAF SL Plus features an EPA range up to 215 miles. LEAF SL Plus comes in 8 colors. With an upgraded exterior featuring LED lighting and heated outside mirrors. LEAF SL Plus offers your choice of 2 leather-appointed interior colors. LEAF SL Plus adds premium comfort with an adjustable power driver's seat and heated features that help keep you cozy. You'll appreciate convenient features that let you charge up at home using the same outlet as a conventional clothes dryer. help make driving at night easier on your eyes, and help you keep valuables out of sight. And impressive tech makes things more convenient, like a one-touch parking brake, a built-in gate or garage door opener, and premium audio that gives you the best seat in the house. SL Plus adds more Nissan intelligent mobility features that can see and sense more. You'll park and back out with greater confidence, with a better view all around. And your highway commute will become easier with tech that helps keep you centered in your lane and moving with traffic. SL Plus can even give you a heads up when it detects that you might need a break.